took my pole out. What's
no,
up?
it just, I tried to grab it, I couldn't get it on time.
Oh, nice. I thought it was your pole.
I'll buy you another one.
So you flipped it right over the edge? Hey, so it flipped it over the edge?
Yes, they're my witness. The whole thing.
I doubt they saw it. That sucks. They're not gonna just sting you for no reason, Johnny. You know how long has been stung by a bee?
Yes.
And how long has it been?
Pissed them off.
You're oh my god. You're funny, dude. Really? It's a damn air conditioner. Somebody here just stole their air conditioner in the damn water. You gotta be kidding me, dude.
Let's both get it.
That's just terrible. But we threw it out here. I can't believe that. Really? So you drive out here in the truck.
Look at that. Look at this trash.
Wow. Ooh, I got something in. Oh yeah. About time. About time, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Man. We're both getting fired.
It's me. I'm hung on you.
What?
Hang on, just simmer down. I'm gonna stay underneath you. Trying to bring him over here. Just yeah, keep it up high.
My bait line climbed out.
Carp, man. Fighting fool, you know it. That was on the bread, huh? No, he ain't that big. You're dancing. You're dancing, little dude. He ain't very big. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this one too? Really? Yeah. About time I got some corn going. Oh, he's way over there, jeez. You get me all tangled up. Oh. With carp are, you know what? Ooh, he's a big one. Give me that net, brother. Don't fall in the water. I'm trying to get him up here close.
Does it out?
No, that's it. God, he's fighting. I'm going to tighten this up a little bit. Try to get him over here. Trying to wear him out. Watch out, brother.
I seen that wall. Where is it?
Over here. I'm just trying to get him close. Hang on.
Oh, keep it? Yeah, I would.
No, I'm not keeping. I'm not cleaning no fish today.
Oh.
But I'm gonna take a picture of him and get him on video. I can set it over there. That'll be fine. Sweet. That's what I like to see, brother.
Nothing.
Sweet too. Turtletown, 3, and Turtletown, that's 5, 6, 7, and nothing. So you gotta go goose egg stew going over there. Calm down, punk face. He said, I gotta have some of that corn. I like me some corn, man. Simmer down there, big boy. Easy now. Get this hook out of your mouth. It's all wiped off here. Easy there. Trying to get a picture of you, big boy. It's all dirty now, nasty. God. There he is, all dirty. Big boy, though. Nice. Yeah, if I was keeping him, I'd keep him, but I'm not gonna clean any fish. 'Cause I just want to mess with it. You wanna say bye to him, Johnny? Bye-bye, Johnny. Chucky loves better today. Bam! I don't know how much battery I have left, but it's always a learning experience. So Johnson didn't have any luck today, but I did, and I didn't. I did by catching fish, but I lost my pole. So.
And I felt bad because I couldn't get it. I couldn't get the pole quick enough.
Oh well. All right. Well, we're fishing with Dr. Frog. Till next time.